guys, it's Jody. Today's video is a part of the California Dreamin' collab, which is benefiting the California Fire Foundation, CFF. I hope I said that right. I'm going to have everything down below, all the links and everything, but what we're doing is we're raising money to donate to the California Fire Foundation to help with the wildfires that have been going on out in California. And so we all wanted to get together and do this collaboration, and we're going to have an auction, all the pieces. You probably know all of this from watching all of the videos, but I'm just going to gloss over it really quickly. We're going to do an auction to auction off all of these pieces that you've seen in the collaboration train and the auction site. I'll have everything linked down below the auction site if you just want to donate to the GoFundMe. All that good stuff will be down there, and the playlist as well. If you've missed any of the other artists that are in this collab, that's going to be down below as well. And I'm on a time crunch, so no too much sharing of consistencies and all that, but you know, I'll be back to do that in another video. So without further ado, let's go get started. All right, we are going to go over everything used really quick because I am on a time crunch. I will show in the next video because you know me for these collabs. I can't do just one. I have to do more than one. And some of the colors, I'm using up some colors that have been mixed. So I have quite a few different mediums that I used. I used my Valspar, the Ultra. I used the Dutch Boy for some of the piggies. And I know for one of the other piggies, I used the Dynasty. And I use this to thin, and I also use this to disperse any of the piggies. So these are all of the mediums that I used in my paints and pigments. All right, the paints and piggies we have for this piece here, I actually had a color that I mixed all of these with. I originally had this mixed up, the Golden Fluid Turquoise, and then the PBO Studio Acrylics Blue Black. And then I had this Lakeside mixed with, I think, the Dynasty, and I just decided to combine them all together because I was trying to get rid of paint. So that's one color. Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold is another color I've got. And then we've got Permanent Violet Dark. And then I've got an After Dark Piggy. I've never actually used one of these. This is Ravishing. It glows in the dark. It's supposed to glow orange, so we'll see. And then I've got the Vinyasa Piggy, newer piggy, and then the Algae. Show those really quick. These are all the paints and piggies we're using. I'll go over consistencies and say that 3 times. I'll go over the consistencies in the next video. And then my cell activator, I'm using Australian Floetrol, and I'm going to have a black cell activator, which is the Atelier, the Mars Black. And then my gold, which is a mix of the Pale Gold and the PBO Studio Acrylics, the Iridescent Precious Gold. I think it might be called something else now. This is an older bottle, but it's one of their golds. And then my pillow, I'm changing it up a little. I've got a little bit of PPG left, but not enough for this piece. So I just thought I'd go with my Glidden Premium and Satin, the pure white. We'll give this a go because I have a full container of it on my bench. All right, for this piece, we've got a 16 by 16 square canvas, and we are going to do a floating bloom. I'm going to get this loaded up with the pillow, and then we're going to swipe just a little bit of gold for the background. I don't want too much, and then we're going to bloom and bring it over to the spinner box. Ooh, I love that. Now we play. Now we play, now we play, now we play. All right, I am digging that. I am so digging this. I cannot wait to see how this spins out. So I'm going to meet you over at the spinner box and we're going to spin this out. All right. Here's what we got before we spin it out. Make sure we're even on there. I think we've got enough. We've got enough paint on there. I think we're good. Moving nicely, no stuck parts. Let's see, all right, let's do this all on just to get it started. Oh, look at that open up. Yes, 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 yes. This is what I love about a floating bloom. The gorgeousness that comes out. All right. All right, let's go this way. Actually, I'm gonna move this down a little. Coming off a bit more on this side. I'd like to get it off a little bit on these sides. Look at that middle coming out. Holy cow. Wow. I'm a little speechless here, like I wasn't expecting that. All right, okay, let's see here. How are we on? Yeah, we still got some movement in the center. I do want to, it is going to go off the sides a little bit. Oh, that's all right. Move it down here. Let's see if I can protect some of these sides a little. All right. Whew. I'm glad I didn't put more pillow on. I was thinking about it, but it did not need it. Not getting a lot of movement. I just wanted to make sure I got enough paint off so it doesn't dry weird. It looks so dreamy. Wow. I know some of this is going to come off, so it's still a floating bloom. All right, I'm going to do one more little baby spin. I know you're probably yelling, no. Just want to ensure enough paint's off of it. All right. Man. All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Fingers crossed on how it dries. I am going to get cleaned up and I will bring you over for the flyover and the dried results of this. And I'm back real quick just to say thank you so much for being here. And I was so honored to participate in this collab and donate this piece for the auction, which starts today after the whole collab train. And it'll be, the auction goes for a whole week, for 7 days. And once the auction has ended, the buyer will be contacted and shipping will be calculated so that you can, you know, submit for the piece that you won as well as the shipping, because the buyer does pay shipping. I'll have more information down in the description box below, and I'm sure you're hearing it in all the other videos as well. So with that, thanks again so much for being here and participating and donating. I will see you guys at the next video.